ICE names Jamaican on the United States top 10 most wanted list.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Desmond Hugh Chambers, a 52-year-old Jamaican man, has been named among the top 10 most wanted fugitives by the United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency, ICE. Chambers is listed as a convicted sex offender and drug trafficker who is known to frequent the states of Maryland, Florida, and Georgia. ICE officials said Chambers was ordered removed from the United States on February 5, 1997 and was deported on May 10, 2000. However, he re-entered the United States illegally at an unknown date, and despite numerous attempts to locate his whereabouts, he currently remains at large. Chambers was convicted of possession with intent to distribute cocaine, second-degree rape, a first-degree sex offense, and false imprisonment. Chambers is reported by ICE as weighing 170 pounds, with brown eyes, black hair, and a scar on his forehead. Chambers is said to also go by the names Warren Michael Mullings and Gregory Lemuel Green.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.